Welcome to the listing for this DJI Mini 2. This is the 4K camera version with the OcuSync 2, so it's got a really nice long range, 10 kilometers I think quoted. What comes with it? Right, well, we've got a very nice case in great condition, stores the drone, the remote, and a couple of batteries slide in there as well. A 2 amp charger with the USB-C which plugs into the back of the drone. That enables you to charge both batteries individually. And being 2 amps, it's got some go, so it shouldn't take too long. The controller, 2 metal sticks, storage space, very nice condition, antenna on the top, all the buttons, everything all works fine. And hopefully, there we are. A couple of spare blades, a screwdriver, all 3 leads to connect to every type of mobile phone within reason, the lens protector, and the drone itself, which is in very nice order, bar for the small crack to the top here. And I've put a ruler by it. It's nice and small. It looks like it's not going anywhere. It's hardly going to make any difference, but it is there. It's about the only damage to the drone I can see. There's the USB-C slot at the back there and the micro SD card slot just by the side. All the arms are in great condition. The blades are fine, barely a mark on them. The antennas are there. The gimbal, the lens, all nice. And this one's never been apart. It's all looking very nice along its seals, etc. So 249 grams, no license required, brushless motors, 8.8 volts on the batteries, both original batteries, and will make a lovely little thing to play with. Do your aerial photography. Great fun drones are to use. Lots of different features. Just Google Mini 2 and you'll find how they can do all sorts of stuff for great aerial footage. Okay, I'm going to fly it, so stick around. Thanks. Okay, so welcome to the video for this Mini 2 4K camera, all nice and clean around the body, and there's just one minor crack which I've listed with the picture. It is tiny, nothing to worry about at all. Blades are good, drone looks nice. Let's turn her on, 2 presses to turn on. There we go. The blades just move a little bit and it makes the little noise and the lights flash. We won't bother with an SD card, but we will turn the phone on. Let's just slide this along. So the phone mounts in the controller like this. Obviously no phone included. We need to get the appropriate bit of software. We'll just go not now. I think that was a firmware upgrade. So we've got the camera on, and there's the picture moving up and down, and we'll just put the camera in view as well, hopefully. You can see the so it's down. Okay, that's, of course that's up, so we've got it on the, okay, so down and up. Right, let's see how we get on with a little bit of flying. So you can see the FPV side of things working on the drone, so as it's moving around, just pop it there. We're going to fly indoors today. It's not particularly nice outside. So we've got no GPS because we're inside, but there's our image from the camera. And so basically, let's just hope that it's in mode 1. It is.
Attitude mode. Fly with caution.
So you get obviously things coming through from the controller. I've now got the controller and the drone just in a perfect hover from takeoff, and you can obviously adjust the speed that you want it to fly at, or the rates, and we can bring it down a little bit, spin it round. So there's me flying the drone, and we'll just continue on rotating it to the left, rotating it to the right, and if I put it into sport mode, you can see how quickly it spins. And same for any aircraft. As soon as you start rotating around, they either go up a bit like that. Well, that's actually me doing that. Let's drop it down. I put it back into cine mode because flying indoors is always a bit nerve-wracking, especially when you're making a little video. We don't want to crash it because it will just go straight back in the box now, ready for the next keeper. So we'll just move it forwards. When you let go of the sticks, it stops. When it's on GPS, it will hold that position, but because we're inside with no wind, it will just hover. In fact, if I position it just above my sofa there, because of the what's called the ground effect, it will sort of become an uneven hover as a rule. But it just goes to show how good these are, and for the size and the weight, no license required. I mean, they really are terrific. Anyway, I think that's about enough of that, and you can see how well it hovers. Great value for money, this one. 2 batteries, little hard case, and then when you want to lower it down, or land as they call it, you just push the sticks down to the bottom and it gets to a certain level and lands itself. Perfect. Okay, so that's it. Brilliant picture, 4K. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.